Hi everybody and welcome to the World of Micah. Just watching one of my favorite movies of all time, Ernest Goes to Camp, starring Jim Varney. It never gets old. It reminds me of summer because obviously it takes place at Camp Kikiki. But besides that, today on the World of Micah we're going to be making a copycat recipe of the grilled cheese sandwich at Beaches and Cream. That's one of our favorite places on Walt Disney World property, and I've been wanting some tomato soup and a grilled cheese from Beaches and Cream, so we found a recipe. We're going to show you guys how to do it. You guys are going to get the tag along. Now before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. It'll keep you updated with my latest video. If you would like to support my channel, please visit my Patreon page at patreon.com/worldofmicah. Where donating $1 a month can help fund episodes just like this. Now let's travel to our own Beaches and Cream at home and make some grilled cheeses. Now, let's take a closer look. George is out. That dog could sleep all day. He does for the most part. But we get outside and play for a little while, chews on his bone, but he enjoys his naps. That's for sure. Sure do miss that guy. Jim Varney. Path of the Brave. If you're a fan of Jim Varney or Ernest, comment below what's your favorite Ernest movie. Is it Ernest Goes to Camp? Ernest Goes to Jail? Ernest Scared Stupid? Ernest Rides Again? There's so many. Comment below. I love Ernest Goes to Camp, and I really love Ernest Saves Christmas because they filmed it here in Orlando. I did the filming locations for that years ago. I'll put that link down below. You guys can watch that. So now it's time to make some grilled cheese sandwiches. We got the bread here. Publix had BOGO, so that's good. Buy one, get one. And we're using Publix brand cheese. Use whatever cheese you want, but get cheddar and non-smoked provolone cheese. Got some more stuff here. Fat-free cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, and this worked out. This is leftover from when we made the pizza fries. So first thing on the list is to make the cream cheese spread for the grilled cheese. So in the cream cheese, you're adding half a cup of this mild cheddar, the shredded cheddar. We also have sliced cheddar for later, but this, you know when you're eating the grilled cheese and there's like that white cream almost in the middle of the grilled cheese? That's what this is right here. So we put 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream in here and add some salt. And then you gotta mix it up. I mixed it up pretty good. Now we're making a garlic spread in this one. How many cups?
A whole cup.
A whole cup of mayo.
I think this may be the whole thing.
It might be. So we don't have minced garlic, so we're gonna substitute for garlic powder. It's gotta be the same thing.
Yeah, so we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic. So I'm really just gonna eye it, to be honest with you. That looks good. And then we're gonna add some more salt.
Okay, so these are the 2 spreads you have to make. Now, we made enough, I believe it's like for 8 sandwiches, so we're gonna have a lot left over. Now you gotta heat up the saucepan, and we're adding butter.
Yeah, I like to put butter on the saucepan too, just, you know, to make it extra buttery.
So you sprayed it with like Pam.
Yeah.
And then putting some extra butter. So now we're gonna make the bad boy.
Yeah. Is to place 2 slices of cheddar. And then we're going to place 2 slices of provolone. So just repeat it. It's going to be really cheesy.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, wait. So this is why you read the instructions before you start doing it.
So you put 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 2 and 2. Okay.
Because then it says equally spoon cream cheese spread on the slices with a provolone.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay, so we got to put our cream cheese spread on these.
The cream cheese spread.
That's the cream cheese spread.
Yep.
And then
equally
spread it in there.
spread it out. Yeah.
That's that cheese that every time I eat it, I'm like, what is this? Well, now you guys know.
Mystery salt.
Kind of crazy, the art that goes into making these Disney grilled cheeses that we love so much. Is it time to grill these bad boys? Alright, here we go. We gotta be very careful and not try to burn these. It's so difficult for me. Alright. There's one and another. Wish us luck. So you're supposed to put this spread on before, but we figured it'd be easier to do this on one side, let the other side try to get a little toasty, and then we're gonna flip this over. So like this spread basically acts as your butter. Oh yeah, immediately you can hear the spread like cooking. It smells so good. This is gonna be pretty awesome. Just gotta make sure the cheese actually melts. And we got this tub of tomato soup from Publix, $7.99. Not bad for how much we're getting, and it comes from the bakery, so it's fresh. Abby's doing a great job making sure they're not burning. I don't mind mine a little dark. It depends on how much you want your grilled cheese to be grilled, I guess. Well, got my tomato soup nice and hot. Ooh, you can see some of the steam coming off that. The grilled cheese, and look what we picked up. A little bottle of Pepsi. Gonna keep it old school. Normally I don't drink soda or regular soda, but tonight, might as well. Yours looks pretty good too.
Yeah.
See, this is what I'm talking about. See the white right there? Every time we get our grilled cheese there, I'm like, what is that? What kind of cheese is that?
Really
I'm excited. You excited?
Very excited.
Peaches and cream?
Pretty darn close.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That spread on the toast, the garlic and mayo thing, makes the bread taste really, really good. Mmm. Yeah. Not bad. It's pretty close. It's a lot of cheese though. Lots of good flavors. And man, we cooked these perfect. Like the toast is just perfect. That's awesome.
You know, the only thing we're missing is the kitchen sink. But
Oh, we have a kitchen sink. It's right over there. What are you talking about? Oh, the ice cream. Yeah, we could create our own. A whole can of whipped cream.
A whole can.
I do love Pepsi because it has like a real cola taste to me. I'm a big fan of RC cola. It's hard to find that nowadays, but I tell you what, I forget how good Mexican Pepsi is. It's so good. Woo! One sandwich is enough. I thought I was gonna eat 2, maybe 3. No, we put everything in containers. They're safely in our refrigerator for later, which is a good thing because we can make more grilled cheeses as the week goes on. But the garlic mayo spread was really, really good. Like, I think that's part of the secret in the bread. But our adventure has come to an end, which means it's time to say goodbye. All my links are down below. See you guys tomorrow on a brand new episode. If you guys choose to do this recipe, the recipe and the link is down below. Bring some of the magic of Disney's Beaches and Cream to your home. And if you do, tag me in some of the photos on Instagram. See you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.